friends, for our writing center today, we're going to use the sentence starter to make the Grinch grin. I would. First of all, let's read that sentence again. To make the Grinch grin. I want you to think in your brain, what does that word grin mean? Think about it. To make the Grinch grin. Grin is another word for smile. So I want you to think, to make the Grinch grin or smile, I would. You're going to use your paper that has this sentence starter. To make the Grinch grin, I would. And you're going to fill in the blank. So you're just going to write on the line. So I want you to think about, what could you do that would make the Grinch smile? Maybe you could give him a gift. So you would sound out give him a gift. Now, friends, remember, we just want you stretching out and writing the sounds that you hear. Okay, so you're going to do your writing now. To make the Grinch grin, I would. All right, boys and girls, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back soon.